Squirrel, do you really know what these animals look like and what they sound like? Let's explore 50 wild animals together and see how many you can recognize.
Snake slithers very quietly.
Owl, a wise night bird. Parrot, bright and colorful. Hyena, laughs very loudly.
Chimpanzee, smart and playful.
Raccoon, a curious night explorer. Squirrel loves collecting nuts.
Flamingo stands on one leg.
Peacock, as we hopeless, shows beautiful feathers.
Woo. Hedgehog has tiny sharp spikes.
Lion, the king of the jungle.
Tiger, a strong, striped hunter.
Elephant, the largest land animal.
Giraffe, so tall it touches the sky.
Bear, big, loves hooves and loves honey.
Zebra, black and white stripes.
Look, it's the incredible fruit bat.
Bat,
Flies at night.
Monkey! A playful dot, tree climber.
Cheetah, the fastest animal on land.
Leopard, a quiet, spotted hunter.
Panda loves eating bamboo.
Crocodile, a strong snake. River predator.
Wolf, wolf, it hunts in packs.
Polar bear, lives in icy lands.
Gorilla, strong, jungle giant.
Fox, very clever and quick.
Hippo, big and loves water.
Rhino, epic, strong, with a big horn. Kangaroo, jumps very far.
Deer, fast and gentle.
sleuth, moves very slowly, very slowly.
Eagle has unparpenal and arbor sharp vision.
Falcon, flies very fast.
Toucan has a big beak. Hornbill, colorful forest bird.
Crane, elegant and tall.
Stork, long legs and beak. Pelican has a big pouch.
Kingfisher dives for fish.
Frog jumps and croaks. Lizard crawls very fast.
Gecko climbs on walls.
Iguana loves sunny places. Python, a giant snake. Salamander loves wet places. Newt, small and colorful.
Alligator, a strong swamp hunter.
Komodo dragon, a giant lizard.